Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to block settings for users in SentryPC. So first, open the dashboard and go to Security Options. Now, next to the user you want to edit, click Edit User. Now select Settings to be blocked. For example, the access determines if this user can access the device or not. Boot keys are used on startup for different things, including entering safe mode. ATC, you need to read all of these options by yourself because it's too many of them. But one more, for example, taskbar, use the Windows taskbar. So we can disable this for this user, disable this. Okay. Now apply the settings to additional user. You can select or not. And that's it. Don't forget to save the settings and leave a like. And see you in the next one.